Hi all. So today we are going to talk about one of the most, I would say, uh, I would say, uh, not so difficult, but most of the people try to either avoid it or not do it, and avoid it for good, as they think that this could be difficult. Yes, it is a bit difficult, but not that much complicated. I would say it would be quite tricky, but yes, with complex problem, this concept becomes quite complicated, and this particular concept is called as the uh, regular expression, right? So this is one of the most used concept inside Python. Not only Python, I think this is used in other scripting languages too, like I would say tool command language. Basically it is used for the pattern searching, right? So when I say regular expression, uh, yeah, sorry, just give me a moment. Yeah, so when I say regular expression, we say a particular way through which we can find out a particular pattern, right? Now you can see the example over here, like uh, uh, for example, you have been given some text, or there is a particular sentence. So basically that is string in Python, of course. So through the pattern searching, we can find out either the phone number, the email addresses, the dates, the URLs, and some specific word, which you want to search out, right? So how we do that? So there is a module inside the uh, Python, which basically supports the regex module, uh, or the regular expression module, and the regular expression concept, sorry, and that is called as the re module, right? So when you start writing a code, which comprises of the logic where you have to use regular expression, then you need to import the module called as the re module, and for that you would have to write import re, right? Now today we are going to talk about one of the very commonly used concepts inside the re, which is basically re.findall. There are also other concepts like re.match and re.search, and there are various other concepts in addition to that, but we are going to talk about the re.findall today, right? So before going to that, so basically for pattern searching, there are two types of expression symbols. One is the common regular expression symbols, and then there is the special expression symbols. So there might be some well-known expression symbols that you have seen, like the starting of the string, for which we use the upper caret symbol, for the end of the string, for which we use the dollar sign. Zero or more occurrences, like it's a greedy approach. For basically for that we use star. One or more occurrences we use plus. For zero or one occurrences, which is optional, we use question mark, right? So at least n occurrences, or exactly n occurrences, we use basically these values, right? So on and so forth. You can have a look, pause my video and have a look at all these particular regular expressions. uh, Now going on to the other type of regular expression is the special character regular expression, right? So these are very commonly used inside the regular expression. So basically when we talk about D, it talks about the digit. The capital D is basically non-digit. S stands for lower S stands for the white space, and the capital S stands for the non-white space. So these are very commonly used. Now for a word character you need a slash W. For a non-word character you need a slash capital W. So write lowercase d and uppercase D. Lowercase s for white space, uppercase s for non-white space. Now for boundary you have to use lower b, and for not a boundary word you have to use capital B, right? So now we are going to talk about, we are going to have a look into one of the implementations uh, that we are going to do in today's video, right? So let's start. So I will do import re regular expression, right? and it's a very simple code snippet that we are going to write. So I'm going to take a sentence, and in the sentence I'm going to write it. The score was 4 to 2. Let me write a particularly this snippet is that we need to extract all the integers and put it in a list format uh, through regular expressions. Okay, now we'll take 4 to 5 integers inside the particular sentence. So the score was 4 to 2, give a comma, and they won dollar 100 at 6 p.m. right? So now you can see 4, 206 are basically the integer values, right? So what we are going to do is we are going to use a slash d plus uh, to match uh, one or more integers uh, or consecutive digits. Okay, now we will then convert. So what we are going to do is, sorry, we are going to take string numbers. Okay, so we can do that. String num is equal to re dot find all. So as you can see, there is a pattern that I've already mentioned over here. So you need to provide the pattern and then the string, right? So pattern will be something like this, right? So you put a r, which is basically for the raw. Then what do you want to find? So I want to find all the digits, so slash d plus, right? And then this is the pattern, and from where I want to find out is put a comma, and then you can put the sentence over here, right? So the sentence will be there. Now we need to convert this particular the words that we are finding out, right? They are still in the you know string format, and we need to convert them into the integer format. So we will convert string from characters to integers inside the list, right? So we are going to do new list new list equals to uh, int num. If you remember, we have already done list comprehension, so we are just applying that concept for num in string num. Okay, and then we are going to print the new list. So this is going to print output in a list format, right? So now what we are going to do is we are just simply going to run it. So you can see we got a warning like slash d is an invalid escape sequence. uh, so I don't think so there should be an issue with that, but anyways, the code has been executed successfully, right? Right, and once this thing has worked, now we can see that the whatever output that we have put up in the sentence, like we had 4, we had 2, we had 100, and then we have 6 were fetched from the list, and the list was printed over here. And even if you would do print uh, type, so we want to know whether the values that we have fetched inside the new list, right? So whether that particular elements are integer or number. So let's say we do new underscore list and followed by 0, right? So I'll do that. Print statement, and then we can run it again, right? So you can see that the element inside the particular list is in an integer format and not in a string format. Had we not done it, it would have been displayed, or it would have been kept inside the new list uh, in the string format. Okay, so I think that that's all from my side. I think it's a very small session today, and hope you would have liked this video. If you would like to know anything more about the regular expression or re.findall, we are going to do that. I will also make some more videos related to re.search and re.match, which are also the part of regular expressions, and they are also very commonly used inside the real-time code. So I thank you for your time, and I would see you into the next video. Thanks, guys.